Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Dishan Ahmad Ramjeet from Northwest Region. My question is, how can we focus in class when there's a lot of distraction and students are messing about a lot?
Are you from Mauritius?
Yes.
Achha. Your parents are from Mauritius.
Yeah.
See, then you ask your teacher that discipline your class. First thing is, if your class teacher is teaching you and the students are joking and creating mischief, then you should ask your teacher that try to discipline them, because we cannot understand when students are behaving like this, right? But at the same time, you try to sit on the front seats. Ask your teacher that those backbenchers are creating mischief and doing jokes and all those things, and it distracts my concentration on your lecture and what you are teaching. So please give me seat on the front row. So when you get the seat on the front row, you can have better concentration on your studies and the lecture the teacher is giving you, or whatever he is teaching you. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Change your seat then. Don't sit with the students who are creating mischief and joking all the time. Those who are not serious in their studies. Right?
Yes, Jazakallah for answering my question.
Okay.